back to my YouTube channel. Today is December 9th of 2020. I officially turned the big 19 today, and so I wanted to give you guys a present for myself to celebrate my birthday today. And so we're gonna make a gingerbread house together. So let's get into opening this up, just because I messed up on my first clip recording this video, but I haven't touched anything, so this is gonna be still new. So here's the house, the person is inside, the tree, the different sides of the house. This is gonna be helping me make sure I can keep this house together. If not, I would fail. The frosting is somewhat hard. Like here, I think you can see it. It's light. Anyways, it's like very hard to push, but I think you can like warm it up. So we'll see about that. The different candies, I personally dislike these. Most of this candy, I personally dislike anyways, but it's only for decorations anyways, so these I don't plan on eating this. Or maybe not all of it at least. Maybe part of it. The mitts. The gumdrops. And I forgot what these are called, but you use these to decorate the house. So that is like for stars. So maybe I brought, like, see this part here, the roof. I might have to use that part for this. And then the other one, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to use it for. I think it's for like putting the house together and so on. And that's it. So let's put this box right here. And let's get started. So this thing says to massage it and knead it into the icing pouch for 1 to 2 minutes to bring the icing to room temperature and make it more adhesive. Oh my god. Okay, so that is what I'm gonna do. So now that the bag is very soft now, it's not as hard as it was. Now I'm gonna put these in place. I'm not gonna read directions because I don't normally. And so let's put this in this. Oh, wait. So maybe it's supposed to be right here. Oh my god. No, okay, this is for the roof. That makes sense, see? Alright, so let's put the walls on. These are the walls that have the windows on it. It still doesn't make no sense. Okay, right here. That's what I think. Let's see here. Okay, so see, it's complicated, but here we go. That's the back. This is the front of the house. Gonna put together. I think it goes like this. So I'm gonna apply frosting at the base line of the foundation. Hoping to keep it down. Not sure if it's gonna keep it down, but I'm gonna try. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll keep on twisting this. I'm glad they made pouches for these so it doesn't dry out. Dude, it's not opening. Look, I'm twisting it, I don't think I'm supposed to twist it. There. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. So, oh, it clicks in. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm gonna bring it all the way down. I'm like, okay, I'm nervous. I'm very nervous right now. I'm gonna do the sides. Dude, why is it not wanting to come out? Am I doing this wrong? Let's see this. Alright, ready? Oh my god. Wait, I might have cut this part off. Did that work? No, it did not. How does that not work? So when I'm cutting this, I'm having to use the right scissors for this. So now I think it works, so let's see here. I think it's working. I think it's coming up. Why? Okay, this is not gonna work. Let's see here. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Why do I suck at this so bad? So I'm just gonna do it like this, so see it comes out. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna put it right here. On the side of the walls. I'm just gonna do sides only. Alright, so a sloppy side is fine. Get my hands dirty. Oh my god. Here we go. Reuse it. I'm already making a mess. Alright. Alright, so that's on. Of course, you need to apply more frosting. Oh my god. Embarrass myself so bad because I can't decorate a gingerbread house. Alright, so I'm gonna decorate this. Here we go. That should be enough. Decorate it down. Give it this nice feeling or texture. Oh my god, the struggles. Okay, just let me know in the comments if you guys suck at making gingerbread houses too. Or is it generally just me? I always struggle. Always. And I heard that sometimes we put too much frosting and it still messes the whole thing up. So I'm gonna try to face it my side again. Alright. Alright, let's see here. Let's see what I can do. You know what? It would be nice if I just did it in the corner first. Oh my god. Okay. This is the whole thing. So this is what happened. Not so bad. It's very uneven though. Oh my god, I think it's already hardening up. This is not good. Alright, so I'm gonna do this side. Alright, so I'm gonna pass on this video to further on so you guys don't have to see me struggle. Alright, so now the house is together. Very messy job. As you can see, I failed so many times. I can't explain how many times, so it's not done setting because I remember when I was younger I had to let it set, but I'm not letting it set. After all those times that I messed up and learned not to brush this, I still do, so haven't learned my lesson yet, so here we go. I'm gonna show you guys. There we go. There it is, oozing out. I think that's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm not gonna smooth it out. Okay, I think that's one of my problems that I shouldn't be doing. Alright, so why? Okay, this is not good. I thought it was gonna reach in the border, not right here, so I gotta put it right here instead. Oh my god, okay. Alright. I just pushed in my wall. I was pushing that wall and it was moving. Oh man, this is gonna slip. Alright, so I'm back. Somehow my video went offline. So right now I'm holding this roof together because it's slipping down. and it's not staying at all. I'm not sure why. It's just maybe because I'm not sure what I'm doing, and I'm not being patient to let it dry. All right, let's see here. Fill in these cracks. We call it designs. Alright. I already started eating my fingers. Oh my god, I said it wrong. I started eating the frosting off my fingers. How about that? That's what I meant. And I wash my hands. Alright. So you still, oh, it's, okay, there we go. We're just gonna call it done. Well, I messed this up greatly. As you see, I have stuff all over my desk now. Because I could open a bag right and it literally spilled all over the place. So I said heck with it and did it to the rest of them. So I'm gluing the gingerbread man right here. Now I gotta get the Christmas tree. Oh my god, alright. Oh my god, okay there. Okay, this is not how you're supposed to be doing it. But it's fine. Alright, so let's see here. Oh my god. I'm definitely going to clean this up. I'm going to put these up here. Alright, so now I'm back. My storage on my phone has been going crazy, it looks like. This is what the house looks like so far. I'm not very that well artistic wise in decorating this kind of stuff, but I will do my best and I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. I'm going to show you guys the side. Not so bad. I'm going to do the other side now. The after shot. Now I'm just going to decorate it randomly. Kinda random. Alright. I'm not sure what to talk about. I'm going to be posting 2 videos today because yesterday I was celebrating my birthday also. And I didn't have time to post it. So that's fun. I think that's good, right? Looking good. Alright, so I'm gonna decorate this side. I definitely need to pick a lot of this up. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Oh my god. Okay, so if you guys don't if you guys can do better than me, well, I'm sure you can do better than me. I guess if I actually tried, I could do a little bit better than this, but I don't think there would be much of a difference. Okay. Then we have these little pebbles, but I don't really like putting these pebbles on my house, but for the video I would do it. Alright, so fast forward. Alright, so this is the after look. Not terrible, but it's not good either, so now I'm just gonna decorate this front piece and I'm gonna call it a video because I'm running out of frosting and I'm not sure what I did wrong now. So let's just do that. I changed the tip of it, so it should be a nice tip. Oh my god, this is not turning out well. Okay, there's no reason why I should have switched that tip. For this part, at least. Alright. Alright, you guys can like roast me in the comments. Alright. I'm gonna call it done. Look. That is horrible. Alright. I guess we can just decorate it. Oh, way. So I'm just gonna spread it around. You know, next time when I do one of these, I'm gonna like get a spatula and do it. I didn't think I was gonna need it this time. I just gotta make sure. I'm telling you, if I keep going, it's gonna keep messing it up. The house is together though. But see these sides, I can't decorate them because there's not enough frosting. And that wraps that video. I'm done. Done. I made such a big mess. Alright, if you would like to click the like button, the subscribe button, click the bell icon to be notified of any future videos, please do so because it took a lot of effort and time and made a huge mess. But it was totally worth it for you guys. Have a great day.